Trending on Procyon Radio and Television, I am Sarah Abo. MQ All-Rounder, welcome to Trending today.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Tinubu working to bring smiles to Nigerians, says Obasa. Drama as Portable climbs pole, takes off trousers to perform in Enugu. Tinubu working to bring smiles to Nigeria, says Obasa. The Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Mudashiru Obasa, has urged Nigerians not to despair as the administration of Bola Tinubu is working to resolve the country's challenges. Obasa's statement was contained in a statement issued on Sunday by his chief press secretary, Eromosele Ebomele. The outgoing year is indeed a challenging one, especially considering the economic situation of the country. Nevertheless, we have solace in the fact that the government of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not leaving any stone unturned to bring us to our promised land. Thank you.
Yes, what Mudasir Obasa is saying is not far from the truth. Yes, because when you are saying that this government, their policy, truly there is hope in it, because they have changed the music we used to by relying solely on oil. Let's look at this way. The reform of this tax that is bringing on board, you can see how the governors of a particular region, they are ganging up, they are against it. It is because people don't know the benefit of that tax. When they hear tax, they thought maybe it will add to their hardship. No, what the government is saying is they are reforming it. That is to say, the tax get from the state, they will no longer direct it to the federal account. It will go to the state. So that one will enable the governor who are not waking from their slumber, who used to wear babariga up and down without looking for investors. The more you look for investor to your state, the more you get money. That is what the reforming tax bill that they are doing in the National Assembly, that the northern governor and northern leader are against. Can you see that this government is taking us to another level? We soon enjoy the dividend of democracy by the grace of God. Thank you.
Thank you, MKO, for that. Drama as Portable climbs pole, takes off trousers to perform in Enugu. A video has emerged of Portable performing for his fans during a concert in Enugu State. In the video, the singer, who had a recent argument with his girlfriend, is on stage. He climbs a pole and dances, making the crowd happy. A security guard also climbed the pole to help him get down safely. MQ.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, at this junction, I implore all Nigeria, especially the people who love the entertainment and love music, please pray for Portable. Portable need serious prayer now. My own advice to the Portable now is that before you climb the stage, do your medical checkup, because the wahala wey Portable dey do on stage, na wahala. Now they call him to come and perform in Enugu State. See what is the problem is causing now. He remove the trouser. He never stop there. He begin the climb pole. This is the second how many times that he used to climb pole now. Now as he climb the pole now, if he fall down now, he die. We don't want that. That's why I say I want everybody now to begin to pray for Portable, because Portable don't go mad. People wey dey call Portable, when you invite Portable to come and entertain you, you know that you don't invite the madman to come and play for you. So anything you see is what you take. Now see, now before this show now, he has quarreled with his girlfriend. Is his girlfriend or his wife? I don't even know what they damn me. Maybe his girlfriend or his wife, the former wife of late Oyo, there is Alaafin of Oyo, and this wife now they give her problem. Please, Dami, look for another husband. You know, say people know well. You know too well, like some of us. Now that look for another husband. Out of the house. She has gone out. Thank you. Please don't come back. Dami, don't come back to Portable. Portable not too well, you can see what is happening on stage. You know too well.
Thank you for coming to Trending.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agwon. Keep shining like the star you are.